No!
Oh.
A train! Not a train!
Not a train.
No! Why do we have an overpass?
Good evening, Fam Nation. We are...
Jennifer's behind us.
I'm Jessica, not Jennifer.
No, Jennifer's in the car behind us.
Oh, I was like, I'm Jessica.
Is she waving?
No, she's not.
No.
Trying to wave at.
We're just getting off on our last day. We made it! We all survived and no one died.
Jessica.
Even Jessica.
Even
Jessica. So now we're gonna go check out the one roastery in Lafayette, which is called Reve, I believe. It's French, and it's the only roastery in town. So we're gonna go check it out because you know how we love our coffee. But this is the only day it's open late enough for us actually to go to.
If you leave, I'll fall. Are you holding on to my love? Are you holding on to my love when push comes to shove? If you leave, I'll fall. Are you holding on to my love?
I don't even know how to say it. How do you say it? Hey, how do you say your name? Is it Red? Okay, we were calling it Red and all this crap, and we're like, I don't even know what I'm saying. This is Rev. Rev Coffee. Rev Coffee. Like, no. Like, no, it's actually really good. They're roasting. We had a a Chemex that was an Ethiopian, and it was absolutely wonderful. These cups are also Hembella. I don't know. Yeah, Hembella Ethiopian, and it was amazing. Also, I had their nitro, and so did Jessica, and it was. What did you think, Jessica? What did you think?
It was so good. First time ever.
For nitro? Really?
Yeah.
You've never had nitro before? Oh man, it was good. I love it. It's just like a ballad.
First time ever.
What is happening? Anyway, this place is awesome.
I think we're like
we are so tired. Like Jessica's kind of dying over here. She's having
It's just been a long week. I've never worked 12, so
yeah.
that was just like a really rough
I have
transition.
once, and I wasn't even supposed to.
I mean, okay, granted, at the pool I would work 11 hours, but I wasn't really doing anything, and I wasn't
your brain.
using my brain the entire time.
It's really tiring to use your brain. Anyway, Rev is really good. Their vibes are on point.
10 for 10, would recommend.
Would recommend if you're ever in Lafayette, Louisiana.
Louisiana, gotta come visit here.
You told me about that commercial. Nebraska!
He looks like a cockroach, so it's really bothering me. But if you take here and you twist, and pull it out. Oh, look at that, smells so good. You can suck this out and you crunch the thing like this. Oh, I can't do it. It is so good, but it's so gross. I can't. I just can't. This guy, you pinch it here, crack it. You see? Crack it, crackage, and then you pull out. No, hey, if you pull from the back, if you pinch back here and then you pull, it's better.
like wet wipes.
There, yep. Oh, you gotta dip in your sauce. This is signature sauce at this point. It's super good.
No.
It's a little strange.
I'm not like
It's strange because of the legs. Like if you look, like it literally looks like it's still alive. Focus.
It's got eyeballs.
It is so
face.
gross.
I can't. I'm struggling, but I'm getting it. It tastes really good.
Really good.
It's just, look at that one. He looks so bad. He's like, ah!
Let's see, like here.
I want to crack this and open it.
Do it.
I can't. I'm like,
Well, that was really fun. I'm not a huge fan of seafood, so it was kind of.
I liked it though. I thought it was good.
Yeah.
I like the flavor a lot. It's a texture thing for me, I guess.
Yeah, I can't do
I'm not
textures.
used to fish a lot because I don't have it a lot.
Yeah, because I feel like the textures for me are really rough, but the seasoning and stuff is like so great. That crab, like broil or whatever they have, is like so, the seasoning that they put on the crabs
and
or
that's what
the
like
seafood.
crawfish is like known for.
Yeah,
I mean,
the
like,
seasoning
it's
and
a
stuff.
seafood.
Yeah. But anyway, it was really fun. It was good, and we just hung out downstairs, just getting our like timesheets done,
Dude,
just
it's
chilling.
just, I think the best part about this job, the best part about what we do is not necessarily the work or the fact that we get to travel. It's the people we get to meet along the way. The people at the hospitals, the people at
our conversion teams,
our coaches that are with us. It's just, and you meet new people every time.
Yeah.
It's so much fun.
It's a lot of fun.
That's all for today. Tomorrow's gonna be a big long day again.
I'm gonna go fall asleep right now. So don't die. I'm gonna go to sleep and stuff. All right, good night, Luke. I'll see ya.